Let's go, let's go, let's go. And dodge into them, dodge in. And bomb in here, bomb in here, bomb in here. We're gonna go left, let's head in 3, 2, 1. And dodge now, dodge now, dodge now. Big damage here, big damage here, big damage. It's right on me, right on me, right on me. Hold here, hold here, hold here. Get our guys up, get our guys up. Ilu. We're gonna have to move down into this corridor here just a little bit. Look at me. Pulls around us, We're gonna push. They're on us. Stay close. We're gonna dodge into that in 3, 2, 1. Dodge into the hallway. Stack it tight. Cleave the downs behind us. 180. It's pretty close range here. We're gonna go in through this little corridor here. Keep the stab up and line it. Move down. Go along this corridor. Get our guys up. Keep that stab up and dodge back. Come to the ramp here.
Hey, Wally's back.
Yes, so hard.
Moving to the ramp.
Nice. Thank you.
Couple behind.
They're up above us. Come over here. Pulls above. And not here anymore. They're here. Pulls above. Oh, nice, got one.
They're pushing around towards gate.
Yeah, let's come around this way here to the right.